life-changing stories that we're hearing with people who are trying these patches.
Yeah. Yeah. So Lillian, before we start with all the stuff we've heard about, I want to hear your story.
Well, almost exactly 6 years ago, because it was June 17th of 2017, that I was just 3 blocks shy, uno, dos, tres, 3 blocks shy of finishing a 16-mile bike ride when I got hit by an Orange County Transit Authority bus. And I was hit from behind. I started off in emergency medicine. So way back when, I was always used to, the times when I would have to drive the ambulance instead of being the medic in the back. We were always used to looking left, right, left, and then going. So that's been a lifelong habit. So I made my left look, there's no traffic, right, and I never got a chance to complete my looking again to the left, because what I did not know was I was on a street that was like in this direction, and on this street, an Orange County Transit Authority bus was coming, and then it turned. So by the time I looked this way, it turned onto my street, and I never got a chance to complete the look because then it hit me from behind. He actually saw me. The chauffeur actually saw me. However, he miscalculated. And then I went flying over my bike, suffered a traumatic